Hello my friends, welcome to my channel Biography of Atlas. Today's celebrity Madison Keys. Madison Keys is an American professional tennis player. She achieved a career high ranking of No. 7 in the world in October 2016 and has been constantly ranked inside the top 25 by the Women's Tennis Association since early 2015. I hope you enjoy this video. If you love Madison Keys, watch this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell button for more updates. Madison Keys biography. Real name Madison Keys. Nickname Keys. Occupation American professional tennis player. Ethnicity multiclear. Zodiac sign Aquarius. Date of birth February 17, 1995. Age 25 years. Place of birth Rock Island, Illinois, United States. Resident Orlando, Florida. Nationality American. Religion Christian. Net worth $8 million US. Brand endorsement Madison has signed endorsement deals with Nick and Wilson. Madison Keys tennis career. Playing style right-handed, two-handed backhand. Coach name Juan Todaro, 2013 for 2019. Current ranking No. 13 March 9, 2020. Turned pro February 17, 2009. She turns 14 on that day. Madison Keys family. Father Rick Keys, attorney. Mother Christiana Keys, attorney. Sydney Keys, sister. Montana Keys, sister. Hunter Keys, sister. Madison Keys physical state. Body types average. Height 1.78 meter, 5 feet 10 inch. Weight 66 kg or 145.5 IBS. Body measurement 37, 27, 38 inch. Eye color green. Hair color dark brown. Dress size 8 US or 38 EU. Madison Keys professional debut. First TV show in 2015, she appeared in just a single episode of the sport game show Sports Jeopardy as herself Luke River. First WTA match. She played her first official WTA tournament match against Russian female tennis player Alla Kirispa at the 2009 Pontana Vendra Championship. First Grand Slam singles wins. You can check Madonna's most recent title on WTA Tennis. Madonna Keys interesting fact. Keys first showed sign of her interest in tennis when she saw Venus Williams playing in a white tennis dress. On February 2, 2015, she was ranked amongst the top 20 female tennis players in the world. At the age of 14, she beat Serena Williams in singles match with a score of 5-1 in 2011. For the first time, Keys had the chance to compete in US Open tournament. She received a wild card for the 2012 Australian Open. At the 2015 Australian Open, Madison played her first semi-final match in which she lost to the world's number 1 at that time, Serena Williams. In December 2015, Keys Park was with her trainer John Leach and Lindsay Davenport. In April 2016, Madison started training with former Swedish tennis player and coach Thomas Hochstein. She can hit a powerful serve that can reach over 100 mph. Keys is a supporter of the legendary Swiss tennis superstar Roger Federer. Madison Keys' favorite things: short serve, surface, hard, food, ice cream, drink, peach iced tea, actress Julia Roberts, Grand Slam, Wimbledon, music group Paramore, animal polar bears, things to bake M8M cookies. Madison Keys social media: Facebook 98,304 people like this, Twitter 232.5k followers, Instagram 201k followers. Madison Keys house: Madison Keys lives in a luxury house which is located in Orlando, Florida, United States.